What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see right here, we have FATH. That's how you pronounce the name, man. Fathom, the Digital Manufacturing Corporation, which is 3.38% up. Let's just do a quick top-down analysis because it does seem like it's starting to get a hang of this bullish move up. But I'm going to start from the monthly time frame, and we can see that we are in a clear bearish move, like momentum. That's the trend that we're at. So here it failed to break higher. We broke the structure right here. It came from somewhere around. Everything was mitigated, so I would say this one right here. But we will have to refine that. Then it's just after it came here, we're just falling down on this time frame. Now let's just go to the daily time frame. On the daily, on the other hand, okay, I can clearly see this being the reason of the break right here. I mean, we could also argue this somewhere around here or here. I like a lot of these supply areas, but yeah. So I will have these because like what I'm thinking about, because we broke here, of like because we broke here, then we shift them one, two times, three times, four freaking times, and then we seriously start to shift right here. So I at least to be bullish into some these supply areas. I'm talking about the areas from 6 to 624 and from 6.68 to 735. So that's about it. Let me know what are your thoughts, and goodbye.